Hello everyone, welcome to the yarn bowl. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to crochet this beautiful butterfly earrings. If you want a free written pattern of this beautiful butterfly earrings, it's available in my website theyarnbowlcrochet.com. The link for that is available in the description. If you have an Instagram account, consider following me on my Instagram handle as well, where I post immediate project updates and fun reels. Meanwhile, if you're new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. So for this earring, I'm going to work with a size 8 crochet thread. You can buy this crochet thread from Amazon or Etsy, and I'm going to use 1.25 millimeter crochet hook, and we'll need earring hooks, glue and scissors. So this is a very simple and easy pattern. For round 1 we are going to work a magic ring, and then we'll work a chain 1 which does not count as a stitch, and then I'm going to work one single crochet, and then I'm going to work 15 double crochets on the magic ring after I have worked my first single crochet. So we'll work one single crochet and 15 double crochets around the magic ring. So that will totally make 16 stitches. So once you have worked 15 double crochets, you're going to work a slip stitch on top of your starting single crochet stitch to close this round 1. So after you have worked your round 1, you're going to tighten the magic ring and secure it with a knot. So now I'm going to work my 15 double crochets around the magic ring. So now I'm going to work a slip stitch on top of my starting single crochet stitch to close this round 1. And once I have worked my slip stitch, I'm going to tighten the magic ring and secure it with a knot. So I should have 15 double crochet plus one single crochet, 16 stitches at the end of my round 1. So now let's proceed with round 2. So this is where we are going to work or shape up our wings of the butterfly. So I'm going to work one slip stitch on the next stitch, that is my first double crochet stitch. Then I'm going to work a chain 2. In next 2 stitches I'm going to work 2 double crochets on each stitch for next 2 stitches. So I have worked my first 2 double crochets, and on the next stitch also I'm going to work 2 double crochets on the same stitch, and in the next stitch I'm going to work only one double crochet, and then I'm going to work a chain 2, and then in the next 2 stitches I'm going to work one slip stitch on each stitch. So I have worked my first slip stitch, and then I will also work one slip stitch on the next stitch as well. So we have worked one wings, the upper wings, and then I'm going to work a chain 2 again, and in the next stitch on the very same stitch I'm going to work 3 double crochets on the same stitch. And I'm going to work a chain 2 again, and then I will work one slip stitch on the next stitch. And then I'm going to work a chain 2 again, and then I will work 3 double crochets on next stitch. So on the very same stitch, which is the next stitch, I'm going to work 3 double crochets. And I'm going to work a chain 2 again, and then I will work one slip stitch on next 2 stitches. So I have worked my first slip stitch, and in the next stitch also I'm going to work one slip stitch. So this is going to be my last wing. I'm going to work a chain 2 again, and then I will work 1 double crochet on the next stitch, and then I will work 2 double crochet each on next 2 stitches. So I'm going to work 2 double crochets on each stitch on next 2 stitches. And then I'm going to work a chain 2 again and work one slip stitch on the last stitch. Then you can go ahead, fasten off and weave your ends. That's your cute little butterfly. You can use this as an applique if you work with the regular size 4 yarn, and since we have worked with the lace yarn here, I'm gonna make it as a earring. It's such a simple and easy pattern, perfect spring gift idea as well. So now you can weave the ends and fasten off the odd ends. So you can see that this is not very stiff, as we always block our earrings with one part of glue and water and air dry it for about 24 hours. I'm gonna block it. You can see the complete blocking instruction in one of the earring tutorial video. I have attached the earring tutorial video link in the description. You can see how to block the earrings. So now the earring is completely blocked. You can see how stiff it is. So now you can place the earring in one of the threads where we have worked our slip stitch, and I'm gonna attach my earring hooks to that stitch. If you want, you can add few jump rings if you want it a little dangle. So that's our cute little butterfly earrings. I have made the same earrings in many other different colors. So they all look so pretty. So they're gonna be a very good springtime gift. So you can make many of them in no time. So it's very simple and easy pattern. I hope you try this at home and let me know your comments. So if you make, do tag your work on my Instagram. And if you do have an Instagram account, consider following me on my Instagram handle. You can find the free written pattern of this earring in my website, theyarnbowlcrochet.com, and here is my Instagram account link. So do check it out. I'll post fun reels and project updates there. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.